Hey everyone, today we have the chance to look at a mini projector, and this projector, it's a soccer ball. So this is for fan of soccer ball, so that's a mini projector. jy360. This cube projector is in form of a soccer ball. What is fun about it? You can leave it on the display or on the desk. You don't need to put it away. So this unit is Android 13. It's Bluetooth 5. We have on it autofocus, auto ketone, and this is a HD projector. Oh yeah, and plus more. Okay, to start the mini projector, you need to press 3 seconds. And now, let's look inside the box to see what exactly we have. Okay, what we have exactly inside the box, we have the mini projector, the remote control, the cable power, or power cable, and the user manual. Briefly, let me show you the difference between a Samsung S25 and the mini projector. Okay, so let me tell you, for the price, you know, when you finish, you can always put it on the shelf or desk. It's always your choice. Okay, so let me show you the quality of the picture. And the movie is Star Wars, but I'm not allowed to put it all. But they're just going to do a small preview, so like that you can see the quality of how clear it is, and how you're going to see it.
Did you hear that? They shut down the main reactor. We'll be destroyed for sure. This is madness.
Okay, I'm going to show you another one at the same time. So what you need to do, you need to let me show you. I'm going to go backward, and we're going to choose Predator, and they asked me if I want to resume or start over. So we're going to resume. Like that you can see where exactly I am. This is the volume.
Keep a distance and have a walk in your ambush.
I don't believe he did. I can't find a single track. Just doesn't make sense.
What about the rest of Harper's men?
There's no signs.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the size of the picture is of the screen we're using now. It's 52. Oops, sorry. It's 52-inch of screen we're using, but for the size I have in my room, I have a small room, so it's 52-inch of projector. I hope you like this video about this mini projector soccer ball. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on another one.